Okay, here's the babies. This is October 15th. So they're just 5 days old. This is Tink. That's what we call her. She's the tiniest one. And also the loudest one. She's always fussing about something. And this underneath her, this is Tank. She's the biggest. She's the big sister. And then this is George. And he's in the middle. George likes to sleep a lot. He's pretty chill, laid back. Let's turn around this way. Hey, look at George. He's just snoozing. Say what? They're Yorkie-poos. There's Daddy right there. What do you think, Willie? And there's Mama. There's Mama and Daddy right there. I got your babies. You want to see your babies? These your babies. Yeah. Don't get in there. That basket's too small. This is just for pictures only, Gracie. Here, sit down. Sit down with them. There's some babies. Come here, Willie. Come here, Will. He don't want nothing to do with these babies.
You're a scary cat.
Well, hold him up just a little closer so we can see how big he is compared to them. There's the babies, Willie. You see your babies? They don't want nothing to do with them.
He's afraid.
Until they get big enough they can start playing. Then he's going to love that.
Willie, you love the kittens
She's
and
a
they're
good
the
mama.
same size. Why don't you like them?